guys, good morning. Please excuse my hair. I just woke up. Well, I've been up for a while, but I've just been relaxing. I just filmed and edited my grocery haul, which took a minute. So it's now like 10 o'clock and I haven't ate breakfast yet, but that's okay because Gabriel and me both are not like the hungriest people in the morning. So that's me making a mess. Okay. Oh, sorry, baby. Anyway, like I was trying to say is, so I'm now getting pretty hungry and I decided that I would film a what I eat in a day Weight Watchers edition because I just love watching these videos and filming them, and I don't know, I love watching them. It gives me ideas of what to eat, and I want to give you guys ideas if you do Weight Watchers or you just want food ideas in general, healthy alternatives. So yeah, I think I'm going to be making Kodiak cakes. I just got these at the grocery store and they are the love of my life. I love Kodiak cakes. So I need to scan them on Weight Watchers and see like, you know, my exact measurements. I also have some sugar-free syrup in here that I need to scan as well, because if it's too many points, I'll probably just use like something else. I don't know. But yeah, I think that's gonna be my breakfast with some fruit. So yeah, let me scan this really quick. So Weight Watchers is super cool. I know like other apps do this because my friend uses an app that scans as well, but I like how easy it is to just scan stuff and then you get the points right away. So you just find the barcode on your food. Why is he hugging me? And then they have a little scanner app and you just scan it and it pulls up. So the Mrs. Butterworth, can you guys see that? The Butterworth sugar-free syrup is 1.4, a fourth of a cup. So that's perfect. I'm actually going to use that. And then, so I'm going to go ahead and track it actually. And then you just find the barcode on the Kodiak cakes, which is probably at the bottom right here. Ouch! Gabriel. That's really cute. Their barcode is like a little bear. But you just want to scan it. My camera is all blurry. Alright, so I'm going to have to manually search it. That's okay though. So Kodiak cakes. What are you doing? Is this the whole grain? No, it's just buttermilk. Oh, I don't want 3. Okay, so let's do 2. 3, what? Okay, so for 2 of these is 4 points. So what is the serving size? Serving size, a half a cup makes about 4 flapjacks. So that's perfect. So I'm going to make like a half a cup of these and only eat 2 of them for 4 points, and then use the syrup as a point as well. So my breakfast is 5 points. I'm probably also going to add a banana on the side, so I'm going to go ahead and track that. And banana's a 0-point food. Gabriel! Oh my gosh, I gotta get my son. No, sir, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Oh, but then it's like, why wouldn't everyone plead guilty if it just meant like, stop on the wrist?
But I mean, someone who doesn't.
Okay, so this is my breakfast. 2 of these Kodiak cakes with a fourth of a cup of syrup. It's actually a little bit less. Sugar-free syrup, and then half a banana, which I split with my son. But yeah, I'm so excited to eat. I'm just going to dip it in the syrup. And then I got to finish drinking my water. But yeah, this is my breakfast. I'm so excited to eat. So total, it is 5 points because the banana is 0. And yeah, I'm about to dig in. Okay, so it's about 1 o'clock. I just scratched myself. That's why it's red. But it's about 1 o'clock. I am getting starving and I'm just waiting on Gabriel to wake up. And he's like not waking up. So I'm super freaking hungry. And I've been watching... I've been looking at Pinterest Weight Watchers ideas, and the 2 ingredient bagels kept popping up, and I was like, oh, I have the stuff to make it because I was planning on making it, but now it's just sounding so good. So I think I'm gonna make those bagels and like make a sandwich with them for lunch because that sounds so freaking good, but they take like a little while to cook, so I'll probably have an apple like while I'm trying to make those. But he is still sleeping, so like I'm afraid to go in there and like make a lot of noise, because if I do, I won't be able to make the bagels because I'll just be having to watch him every 5 seconds. But I'm so hungry, so I think I'm gonna take the chance and just go in there and make them. But yeah, I'll show you guys exactly how I make them, because this will be my first time making them, because I've never made the 2-ingredient dough before, but I've only been doing Weight Watchers for like 2 weeks, so it's not surprising. But yeah, it's super easy. It's self-rising flour and Greek yogurt. So yeah, I'm gonna go make those and try and be quiet. Got done making those bagels. I just need to get a baking sheet now and put an egg wash on them. So guys, that was beyond easy to make. It's just a cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt and a cup of self-rising flour, and you just knead it together until it forms dough. And then, oh my gosh, what is my son carrying? You knead it together until it forms dough, and then you just roll them up into bagel form. So it made exactly 6, but one of them turned out a little bit smaller. This one right here is kind of small. But now you just want to put an egg wash on them. So okay, so you want to use the everything but the bagel seasoning. I don't have a Trader Joe's near me, so I just got this one from Walmart, but I'm gonna put it on top of the bagels. By the way, if I didn't say, this is from Walmart. It's just the old Thompson brand, and it's everything seasoning for bagels in there. Okay, so then you put your oven on 375, and then they cook for 25 minutes. Alright guys, so these just came out of the oven. I kind of burnt them a little bit, but that's okay. They still look kind of good. Yeah, I burnt them a little bit. So next time I'm probably not going to do as much time. Alright guys, so this is lunch. It's the everything bagel that I made. I spreaded, is that a word? Spreaded? I spread a Laughing Cow light creamy Swiss on the bagel as cheese. So that's 1 point. The bagel is 3 points. The turkey breast or 2 slices is 0, and then the mustard is 0, and then I just have a bunch of green grapes, which are 0 points as well. So this is a 4-point lunch. Actually, the bagel is 2 points, and the Laughing Cow cheese is 1 point, so this is a 3-point lunch. But yeah, it looks so yummy, you guys. Like, I'm dying. These green grapes are so good too. I bought them at Walmart yesterday, and I'm dying right now. I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna go eat this. Guys, I'm not even lying. I think this is the best sandwich I've ever had. Like, I'm not even being dramatic. Like, it is so good. The seasoning makes the bagel amazing. It tastes like I'm eating a regular bagel. And then the mustard and the creamy Swiss cheese is so good, you guys. Like, I am dying. Okay, this is like my staple lunch now. I'm gonna eat it all the time. So freaking good. Okay, so I just got done with lunch. It was amazing. I'm obsessed with those bagels and just like the combination of everything. It's definitely going to be one of my staple lunches from now on, but I just wanted to update you guys really quickly. So yeah, I think that's probably all I'm gonna eat. I might try and hold over until Zach gets home, because I'm going to be making chicken fajitas, which are gonna be so good. And then yeah, so I'm making chicken fajitas. But until then, I'm probably just, I need to majorly clean my living room. Like, it's a disaster. So I can work out in here. So yeah, I'm going to chill for a little bit, let my food digest, probably finish this water, and then I'm gonna clean up my living room and then work out. And by that time, and shower, and then by that time, hopefully Zach will be home. He's gonna run to the grocery store really quickly to get a couple of things for dinner. But hopefully by the time I'm done with all of that, he'll be home and I'll be making dinner and showing you guys. So yeah, I'm super excited for that. I also think I'm going to be making like these funfetti cupcakes. I don't know, we'll see. Just depends on if I'm in the mood for dessert or not tonight. But yeah, I just wanted to update you guys on that really quickly. So yeah, I will see you around dinner time. Okay, so this is dinner. I totally forgot to film it on the pan. It was way prettier, but that is so loud. Sorry about the TV, but this is chicken fajitas with red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and onion, and then I just used Taco Bell sauce, this mild sauce, and then chicken and fajita seasoning, and then a little bit of sour cream and Tostitos. So I think like one of these is like 2 points each, so I think I'll have to redo it later. But yeah, I'm gonna eat 3 because I'm hungry. Okay, so I just made those fajitas, which were really good, but I didn't, this is still really loud, Zach. I didn't finish them. I almost did, but I didn't. But Zach really liked them too, didn't you?
Yeah, they were great.
Look at these flowers. Zach brought me flowers. That's so sweet. Anyway, so I think I'm just going to end the day by eating this Yazo, whatever you want to call it. This is a chocolate chip cookie dough bar. I swear I have one of these every night because it's just like the perfect thing after you eat dinner and stuff. And they're like, they taste amazing. They don't even taste like there's Greek yogurt in it. But I just wanted to end the video because I used, let's see how many points I used today. After everything, I feel like I ate a lot today too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like these videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already for more Weight Watchers or lifestyle content in general. Oh my goodness, you're a mess. Have fun in that bath. Anyway, yeah, so subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Ew, you a mess.